Hello friends, today's recipe is a pineapple kheer or payasam. For this I've taken half a pineapple. When you cut into small pieces you get approximately 1 cup of it. To the pineapple add quarter cup of water. Put that into a pan. Add quarter teaspoon of turmeric just for color since your pineapple once cooked will be very pale. Keep the pan to cook on a medium flame. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar. Cook this pineapple on medium flame till the water is absorbed. Once the pineapple has cooked and the water has dried up, keep it aside to cool completely. In another pan, I have taken half a cup of Sabudana or sago, which I have soaked for 2 hours. Add 2 cups of water to it. Cook it on a medium flame till the Sabudana turns transparent. Rinse it a couple of times and then keep it to drain. I've taken 3 cups of milk, which is approximately 600 ml of milk. Kept it to boil. Once the milk starts boiling, I've added the cooked Sabudana to it. On medium flame, cook the Sabudana and milk for 10 minutes. Then add half a cup of sugar. Cook till the sugar melts. Then add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder. Mix well. Take this milk and Sabudana mixture off the heat and let it cool down to room temperature. Once the milk mixture has cooled down, add the pineapple, which has also come to room temperature. You have to make sure that neither of them is hot, since the milk could curdle. Take 1 teaspoon of ghee. Add a handful of cashews. Also add a handful of raisins. Saute till the cashews and raisins turn golden brown. Add the fried nuts and raisin to the kheer. Serve this kheer at room temperature or chilled. Your pineapple kheer or payasam is ready.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have, then please give it a big thumbs up. Also comment on and share this video among your friends and family. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, then please do so now and do not forget to press the bell icon. Thanks for watching and have a great day.